Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Seminyak area on Champuntandu Street, Drupal District and Kaiyuaya Street. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, the end of the year 2021, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Seminyak area. And now we are in Champuntandu Street. We start our journey today from Champuntandu Street. In this area actually is very famous because in this area just nearby Seminyak Beach. And also in this area there is a lot of hotels and some nice restaurant, also the nightclub, like a gay bar. But since the pandemic in this area like a ghost town, there is a lot of shop closed in this area. It's very sad. And now they step by step they are open, but actually I'm gonna say like about 95% that the shop are closed. You see left side, all the shop is closed. It's very sad, isn't it? You see at the front left side? Yeah, there is international tourists walk around on the sidewalk. Only one. Better than nothing. Okay, if you see the big building right side at the front, there is the big hotel we call Courtyard by Marriott. And some cars just been outside from there. If I straight down, that is the way to go to Seminyak Beach. It's around 400 meters to Seminyak Beach, but I turn right because we will explore Drupal District. And now we are in Drupal District. I update Drupal District because they want a request from my viewer. They want to know the update situation at the moment in Drupal District. Yeah, in Drupal District there is a lot of hotel, but not so much souvenir shop. You see left side, there is Tijili Hotel. Okay guys, if you see the weather today is so beautiful, it's very clear. But as I told you, in December, Bali weather sometimes changes very quick. Now very clear, but then after 2 hours, this will be different. Sometimes it cannot be cloudy or raining. Yeah, Bali now like humid. So if you come to Bali during November until March, you must have enough vitamin C because the humid is not good for your body. Okay, left side there is another big hotel we call Harris Hotel. Let's see together how busy down there. Oh yeah, there is some car parking at the front of the lobby. That's good. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people missing this area for sure. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. Okay guys, so far this area looks so quiet, isn't it? There is not so many car drive around in this area. And also not so many motorbike. Drupal District also very famous because Drupal District between Legian and Seminyak. So that's why a lot of people stay here. They easy to go to Seminyak town and easy to go to Legian Street. And in the left side, right side, there is a lot of villa actually. In this area in Drupadi, there is also very famous because so many villa in this area. But so far, it's look quiet, isn't it? That's very sad. Actually, the end of the year in this area must be busy. Because now, the villa, they try to sell in really big discount. And the prices just falling down. And few days ago, I got a customer from Magetan, East Java. They come to Bali and they stay here in 5 days in the villa. The charge per night is 800,000. That's for 3 rooms. That's very cheap, isn't it? Nice villa and private pool. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Drupal District. Yeah, it is look quiet, isn't it? And there is also a lot of the shop still closed in this area. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Drupal District on the end of the year 2021. Still look very quiet, isn't it? Okay, now we turn left because we will explore Kaiyuaya Street. And now we are in Kaiyuaya Street. Kaiyuaya Street is very famous because it's like a main street in Seminyak area. And also Kaiyuaya Street is very famous because in this area there is a lot of nice restaurant and nightclub. Yeah, now in this area starting busy. In Kaiyuaya Street there is now lots the shop are open. They step by step open the shop and they try to do business. I'm really happy because now there is a lot of taxi drive around in Bali. But last month was very quiet. Red carpet nightclub right side, very famous. Left side, bistro, restaurant and lava villa beside. Bistro is very famous restaurant and lava villa is very famous for nightclub. Yeah, there is some shop are open. That's really good. In this area starting busy. It's more people drive around in this area because as I told you it's like main street in Seminyak. And actually I already updated this area few weeks ago. So you can find that video down this video. So you can compare how the different the situation few weeks ago and today in Kaiyuaya Street. And also I can say sorry. If you don't mind, please also follow my another channel we call Bali Travel Vlog. And I put the channel down description. Because this channel, Bali Van Java, still in preparing for the Google AdSense. So that's why I make new channel called Bali Travel Vlog. Please find the link channel in this description. Actually in the right side there is a famous restaurant we call Romus Restaurant, Job and Ultimo. So that's why during the night time in this area is always busy before the pandemic. A lot of tourists come to this area to have dinner. Okay guys, now we are nearby central of Seminyak. Because at the front there is Seminyak Square and Seminyak Village Mall. It's very famous. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Seminyak area on Champuntandu Street, Drupadi Street and Kaiyuaya Street. If you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.